More updates on the weather in the U.S. We have an update from Don Orozco. Don, are you there?
Yeah, good evening,
Good evening.
Alma, and of course, a very cold morning here in the United States. Alam mo, Alma,
Yes.
some calls it cold snap, other refers it to as some say it as icy, and some say it below zero temperatures. But however you call it, it is really very cold here in North America. People are asking what is going on, especially on dito sa may Midwest, yan yung Chicago, Indiana, and Michigan area, and the East Coast, which is New York and New Jersey area. Experts say that this is due to polar vortex, which is a large volume of Arctic air coming from the North Pole. And everybody knows the North Pole as the coldest part of the planet. Anyways, yesterday morning I traveled from San Jose to Modesto, which is a good 2-hour drive, but it was very foggy with practically 10 to 15 visibility. So in that given situation, it is very hard for you to drive along the highway. Kaya sa freeway, I actually drove to the suburbs, which is kind of hilly, and the clouds were really very low.
So, Don, when you said you were driving, you practically see only the vehicle on your right in front of you?
Absolutely.
Yes.
You're right on target, Alma. And beyond that, after the first vehicle, wala ka nang makita.
Wow.
And then, when I was driving to the hilly part of California, I mean, you will see that the fog and the clouds are practically touching the earth,
Wow.
which makes driving very moist talaga sa kalsada. But then again, remember, Alma, this is California with a 40-50 degrees Fahrenheit temperature.
Yes. California. I've been there, but I
Dito.
never experienced that weather before.
Okay, yeah, I know you've been to Hawaii and some other states, but Alma,
Yeah.
when we convert 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, that is about 10 degrees centigrade dyan. And I see the other day that Baguio is experiencing 60 degrees Fahrenheit temperature, which is a good 15. So yan ang current condition dito sa California.
Oo nga, what is the current prevailing temperature sa Midwest at saka sa East Coast?
Tinitingnan ko nga, Alma,
Yeah.
I'm browsing over dito sa aking iPad at tinitingnan ko yung iba't ibang temperature nung ibang mga cities. And in Chicago, it is currently -3 Fahrenheit or -19 degrees centigrade. Sa New York, it is about 1 degree Fahrenheit or -17. That is why they say this is the coldest week for the whole United States.
I know football is so big in the U.S. and played outdoors, di ba? Kumusta naman ang football games natin dyan? How is it?
Tama ka, Alma. Ngayon ay season ng playoff of this football, itong National Football League.
Yes.
And it is really played outdoors. Kaya you will be surprised that last Sunday, the San Francisco 49ers played against the Green Bay Packers at a -12 temperature.
Wow.
Kaya yung mga players, they were like freezing, na humihingal, nag-freeze, so on and so forth. Even sa NBA, ang isang nagiging problema, Alma, is currently yung trips nila from coast to coast. Kaya if you will be playing from sunny Miami and then punta ka ng Toronto, Canada to play another game, it is from a hot spot to to a very cold spot. Ganun ang nangyayari. And remember also, Alma, freezing temperature natin is 32 degrees which in Fahrenheit, which our televiewers may now understand na ganyan talaga kalamig dito ngayon sa buong North America.
I can't believe California is so cold. I haven't been there na ganun kalamig talaga. It's incredible.
I know. Kaya yan ang latest dyan sa mga napapanood natin, nakikita nating videos
Yeah.
Mula dito sa Amerika. At again, buti na lang itong ang concentration ng Filipino community dito sa Amerika is here in California.
Yes.
And we are actually enjoying the weather. Kaya live here from the Silicon Valley of San Jose, this is Don Orozco for Eagle News International. Good evening.
All right. Thank you, Don. Thank you very much for all that update from you.